Homie Cash here. I'm just showing you here all the Nerf guns that you would probably need, not just Nerf guns, but things you would need in war. No swords, just pretty much Nerf guns. And one spiker thing, so that's about it. So let's get to it. So, also is basically my arsenal. So, this is not Nerf. That, you really need that Nerf for. It's the binoculars. But that's not Nerf, so I'm just going to tell you. So, Hailfire, not modified. Not modified at all. Not modified. No. My parents are in the background. So. But that's the Hailfire. It lost its sides because it's really old. I got it from my friend. Because he wanted a ring pop, and he said if I give him a ring pop, he'd give me the Hailfire. So I was like, okay. Good deal. Retaliator. Zombie Strike Long Shot. Maverick. Forgot that gun's name. Dart Tag. Alpha Trooper. Another Dart Tag gun. Triad. Now on to my attachments. Long Shot Scope. Retaliator Stock. Retaliator Grip. It is painted really badly though. Retaliator Barrel Extension. 6 dart spear. 6 dart clips. 12 dart clip. 20 dart clip. That comes with the Alpha Trooper and the binoculars. So that's that's basically my arsenal. Not including this. That's my arsenal of Nerf. So far. Also I have some zing bows downstairs, but they're not going to count. Also, I will do a video of me and my friend's Nerf guns combined when I go to his house later today. I'll try and see if I can bring my dad's phone, because I'm filming on it. I don't have a phone yet, I'm only 8. But I'm a big fan of Nerf Boy Productions. If you're watching this, I want you to come to my birthday. I live in Georgia, which is a bad thing. I live in Georgia, just telling you, but yeah, also I'm filming this October 2015. My birthday's November 15th, 2006. And this is 2015. So I'm 8, almost 9. I'm asking for the Rhino Fire for my birthday, also for Christmas. So past Christmas, I'll do another one of these. I'm going to do another one today. But past that, I'm not going to do another one unless I get a new Nerf. Actually, no, I'm not even going to review it then. Every day I get a new Nerf gun. I might do an arsenal. If my dad's out of town, I'm not going to do it. But first day he gets back, I probably will do it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. See ya.